Hello.
Hi.
Good morning. I the HR manager of CP Group.
Good morning. I Tontakan Sosanui. Am I applying for the CEO position?
Please tell me about yourself.
Am studying community development at Songkhla Ratchapat University. I have strong leadership and project management skill. I have led university and community project successfully. I am confident, responsible, and ready to lead an organization.
Why do you want to work at CP Group?
CP Group is one of the most successful company in Thailand. I want to contribute my leadership and go together with your company.
Thank you for coming. We will contact you soon.
Thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you.
Okay. Goodbye.